Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your vaccine pass to Samsung Wallet step by step so you can have it stored digitally and always ready when you need it. First, open the Samsung Wallet app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for Health Pass and tap on it. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a plus sign. Tap that to start adding your vaccine pass. Next, you'll have two options. You can either scan a QR code from your vaccination certificate or select to receive a pass from a provider. Right now, the provider option only works with the IBM Digital Health Pass wallet, so most people will probably use the QR code. If you choose to scan a QR code, just point your camera at the code, or if you have a screenshot of it, select that from your gallery. Once the code is captured, tap Add at the bottom right to confirm. And that's it. Your vaccine pass is now stored in Samsung Wallet. When you open Health Pass, you'll see your QR code along with your name, date of birth, and vaccination history ready to show whenever it's needed. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step guides for Samsung Wallet and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.